Hey guys, what's up? It's Callie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got a Fashion Nova vacation try-on haul for you guys. I am leaving for vacation in like 6 days, so I went ahead and purchased some, last minute finds from Fashion Nova, and we are just gonna go ahead and hop straight into the video. Before we do so, make sure you are subscribed. Go ahead and hit that like button. Leave me a comment when the video is over. Go ahead and follow me on all my social media. I will have it here. And yeah, let's get started. Oh, vacay vibes. Okay, so this first piece that I have here is like this super cute flowy maxi dress. I'm sorry if I'm looking down. Oh my gosh. Duh. My monitor is down there, so I'm looking down there. So yeah, so it's just super cute. I'm gonna tie it at the ankle and then probably wear it with like some cute sandals and cute bags. Okay, so here are the next two pieces. Yeah, this is cute. I don't know what I'm gonna wear it with yet. These pants, you guys, are so cute, so flowy. These are so cute. So yeah, they fit pretty good. They go all the way down to my ankle, which is good because your girl be having issues with pants not fitting all the way to my ankle because I've got some long legs. So yeah. Okay, so this next piece is a pajama set. She is super cute. Like it. That's the bag. It's pretty short, cute. Somebody's walking in the background, leaving in the background. So yeah, this is super cute. I got this in a medium. Oops. Okay, so this next piece is a dress. She is also pretty cute. Ignore my little pudge, my little fupa. This is how she looks from the back side. And she's just got the slit in it. Super cute. I got this in a medium as well, so if it's really good, I wanted it to fit kind of tight. So, okay, so this next piece is a dress as well. She's super cute, super colorful. Reminds me of vacation, so that's why I bought it. I got this in a medium. It does fit a little bit loose. Maybe you could size down with this one, but I mean, personally, I like it. She's cute. So yeah. Okay, so here's the thing with these shorts. They're not ugly. I was just kind of hoping they would have more of a parachute baggy feel to it, and maybe that's my fault. I think I did get these. I think I actually did get these in a large, so yeah, it definitely flattens out the booty, but pleather, that's normal. So I'm kind of sad about this one because I thought it was going to look so cute. Make sure you go ahead and follow my Instagram so that way you can see how I end up styling all these pieces. I like these. Ooh, I like these. So the last thing I got was a pair of sweats. Y'all, these are so cozy and comfortable. Like, they fit really good. I love these. So this top is the last top that I do have. The other top is just a black tank top. It's not anything that you guys will need to see. This top is so cute. I wish that it fit me just a little bit better. Like this. I don't know. I'm so happy that everything fit. Like, this is like my first time ordering something and everything literally fits. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you my accessories that I got from Fashion Nova first. First thing I got was this toe ring. I don't even think y'all can see that. I hope it looks cute with my outfits and stuff. So yeah, I got a toe ring. Bitch, I got these glasses. I got these glasses that are so cute. Like, so cute. Look at these hoes. Look at these hoes. Nigga snatching. Nigga snatching. Whose niggas we snatching? All the niggas. We snatching niggas. Y'all can't tell me these ain't no snatchers, boy. What? No, these are fire. Like, these are cute. Kind of want to go ahead and put on these earrings because I don't know how they're gonna look, but I just hope they look cute. Okay, bitch. Oh, girl, let me put on these glasses because act up. It's about to be acting up. Okay, girl, do not play with who? Play with who? I'm so surprised because I do not like the way that hoops look on me. I swear, every time I try to wear hoops, it never works out. So I am so happy with these. Oh yes, I'm about to keep them on. So the next thing that I got so the next thing that I got is this Fashion Nova little Gucci belt inspired waist belt, just because I do have pants that do not fit my waist that well. So I just thought it would be cute if I did end up bringing some high-waisted pants that I could pair it with, you know, this. I said I was gonna keep these on, but girl, I've got to try these on too because oh, these might just look cute. Babe,
What's up?
tell me my glasses look too big now.
They look good. Don't mind me.
Oh child, I'm giving vacation, okay? These are it. These are it. Baby, I'm so glad because listen, I'm like, hoops do not look cute on me, but I'm glad they do. These look great. So the next thing that I got is this anklet. It's just got some little butterflies on it. Oops, excuse me. It's just got some butterflies on it. So the next thing I did grab was a purse, and she is the complete Island Bay package. We love her. Yes, she's super cute. Okay, so then the last literally little thing that I got is this I know it's a designer brand, but it's a little knockoff. It says Dream Control on it. But yeah, it's on this side and it's small as hell. Small as hell. Okay, so that is all I have to show you guys other than the two lingerie pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the first lingerie piece. She is a little bit big. The top actually fits great. Like, when I first seen it in the pack, I was kind of skeptical about it. Not very cheeky at all. It's not bad. The underwear is just a little bit loose. This is in a large, so yeah, I wish you could pick like a different top and stuff, but yeah. So this is the set. What do you guys think? Okay, so this is the last piece that I bought. Yeah, I'm not going to turn around because the bottoms are very cheeky, unlike the last ones. So, yeah. I think I'm going to adjust the straps and we'll be good.
I like what I'm seeing.
I just know you're not licking your booty hole on my clean clothes. So rude. Okay guys, so that is all I have for you for today. If you did like, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and follow all my social media. Try to link as much stuff in the description bar below as I can. If I remember where this wig is from, I'll link that below too. Stay tuned. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.